7 hints to try not to overthink instructions, to try not to overthink. 1. At the point when you feel hindered and you can't clear your psyche, accomplish something physical or get some activity. 2. Put down a point in time limit for your thinking time. Then, at that point, make yourself continue on toward accomplishing something different. 3. Intrude on the reasoning system or occupy yourself by redirecting your consideration onto something else. 4. Quit talking about what concerns you with everybody you meet, as you'll simply wind up confounded and you won't know what to do. 5. Acknowledge that vulnerability is essential for this life, and we don't have the real factors or understand what's not too far off. 6. Hurl yourself entirely into a task, a side interest, or some work that will compel you to pull together on something different, all things considered. 7. Let your psyche go clear and simply unwind for some time. It will assist you with seeing all the more obviously when you begin to think in the future.